Right, this is the way I have my van set up. We've got both of these vans set up the same way. When you go in the back here, I actually put the weed eater across so it sits up and stays like that. We've got a small hook here that holds the blower in that spot there. That gives us all of this room here to put the bags. Plus we can put the bags up right down that side there, so we can get, I probably get about 15-20 bags there if you're putting a couple of catcher loads in each bag. Got raincoats here, I've got 2 of them. If I'm out working and it's raining, I'll do about 3 hours in one raincoat and then 3 hours in the next. And this is the mower, and basically I get the mower off the back here, so I end up making a bit of a stack. So when I pull the mower off, I turn it straight like that, so I end up putting a stack of cat clippings down there. And the mower is a Honda, it's the Honda 217, so it's quite a large mower. When I had a Testarossa I could actually fit it along this way here, but with the Honda it takes up more room. So anyway, that's how I've got my van organised. I hope that helps.